Hi guys, my name is Mehboob Siddiqui. I want to present you some insights of a data I received from Hamad Siddiqui during a course which I was attending for relating to LinkedIn advanced coaching. So I got this data from him, and this is his courtesy to provide this data to me. And I just thought that it can be helpful for other people to learn about the insights of this long data to get some additional knowledge or leads to get their job done properly. So here I am trying to show that these are total hashtags which is followed in LinkedIn as of May 2021. So there are total 1080 hashtags used for this data purposes. So this is a very long list, and it reaches to 1080 hashtags and followed by the users followers against each hashtag and the category. So this is very long list. So I compiled this data for a meaningful information. So first of all, I used Excel where I can filter any of these things. For example, if I want to know uh, first first 10 rankings, so I can minimize this thing that these are the first 10 rankings, which is followed by 326 million followers out of total 1.4 billion followers. So these are the total 10 categories which I can get it quickly by using this filter tool. So if I clear this one, I can clear this, and I can see by categories. I can filter also by A to Z and A to Z and vice versa, Z to A. And if I want to select any specific one, for example, business, if I click this one, it will show me the total 75 hashtags used in the business category, which has ranking and their ranking and the hashtags names. Then I made some analytics. For example, these are the total categories, which are 48 categories in this data. So if you see that the most of the percentage, which is 17% of the data uh, in a category of technology having 184 hashtags. This is the top one. Okay, I have expanded this field, which is categories. So in any categories, you can see a detail of, for example, this is construction. It has a total 11 counts of the hashtags, 11 hashtags having this much followers, okay, which is only 1% of the total population relating to construction category. So if I can use also this slicer tool. Here I can drag it, for example, food. So I have 15 hashtags in food category, which has these followers. So these are the top 10 hashtags used in LinkedIn. The number one is hashtag India, which is followed by 67 million people, 21% of the total population. The second number is innovation, then management, hashtag management, then human resources and digital marketing, technology, creativity, futurism, and entrepreneurship. See, these are the total top 10. So I dig some more relating to one category, which is tech. In tech, I have multiple hashtags. The number one is technology. Second is big data, then business intelligence, programming, software engineering, analytics, software design, data mining, and then so on. So this is the depth analysis, in-depth analysis of tech category. Then I can show you also 80-20 rule, which is normally used in the businesses. So here I can show you that 80-20 rule says 80% of search visits involve 20% of keywords, and 80% of website traffic comes from 20% of the content. If you see this in an inverse scenario, you can say that 20% of planning causes 80% of a project success. And then if I specifically talk about this LinkedIn hashtag data, there are total 1080 hashtags in this data, having total 1.4 billion followers uses above hashtags. So if I apply this 80-20 rule in this data, it says, or it shows that 80% followers, which is 1.1 billion, follow 8% hashtags, which is top 86 hashtags. There are total 1080 hashtags, and only top 86 hashtags, which comprises 8%, followed by 1.1 billion. So we need to focus here. If someone focus here on these 80% followers, or this 86 hashtags, top 86 hashtags, they can get more benefits from this data and this hashtag information. The remaining 994 hashtags, which is 92% of the data, followed by only 20% followers. So this is the area where you can focus on, and this will give benefits to anyone who uses accordingly. Thank you very much, and if you like it, please share to others and come back to me if you need any specific information or help in this file. I can love to respond to your queries. Thank you very much.